Hi. Well, my QCX lives. Thanks to Ron. He was a big help. I couldn't have done it. Turns out I left a resistor out. He found it and changed a couple of caps, and I don't know what all he did, but he certainly deserves my thanks. But anyways, I got this thing tuned to 14.020 megahertz, and I got my K2 tuned to 1402 megahertz. Anyways, I'm puzzled a little bit at the tone. The QCX is on the dummy load, and my K2 is on an outdoor 20 meter antenna, so it's pretty well. I'm hearing it. I'm puzzled at the tone. I'm working one-handed holding the camera here, but if I tune just a little bit off, anyways, it looks like I'll be able to transmit it. Now I got to work on my Morse code skills. Very, very rusty. But now I got some incentive. Anyways, thanks again, Ron. You did a wonderful job. I was a little puzzled with this metal case, no instructions, and everything worked out good. The tiny set screws that set the adapters that the knobs attached to, there was 2 extra. Other than that, everything worked good. Everything fit. This screw holds the heat sink to the side of the case. My only issue with that is they used a short section of tube, and I think I might make a wider washer to fit in there. But that's good for now. I don't intend to run data or hold the key down for extended periods of time. Ron says it puts out 4 meters, and my old CB SWR meter indicates that it's doing about that. No guarantees on my meter. Anyways, I'm very pleased. So there you go. Have a good day.